Are you ready to unlock your Toyota RAV4's full adventure potential? Whether you're hauling bikes, kayaks, or camping gear, the right roof rack crossbars can make all the difference. In this video, we're counting down the best roof rack crossbars for your RAV4, built for strength, style, and every kind of journey. Let's gear up and get going. At number 5, we have the Wonder Driver roof rack crossbars, designed specifically for the 2019 to 2025 Toyota RAV4. This rack stands out with its upgraded metal lock and key mechanism that adds a serious layer of anti-theft protection. Built from die-cast aluminum with a thick 2.4mm aluminum body, it boasts a maximum load capacity of up to 260 pounds while resisting corrosion for a lifetime. Its low-profile, aerodynamic design minimizes wind noise at high speeds, and the aircraft-grade aluminum makes installation quick and hassle-free. Whether you're hauling bikes, kayaks, cargo boxes, or snowboards, this high-clearance crossbar gives you reliable strength and versatility for every adventure. With a sharp look and rock-solid build, the Wonder Driver crossbars are a great entry on our list. At number 4, the FLYCLE roof rack crossbars offer a sleek, practical solution for RAV4 owners driving models from 2019 to 2025, including LE, XLE, XSE, Premium, Limited, and Hybrid trims. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, these crossbars are both lightweight and incredibly durable, with an aerodynamic design that reduces wind resistance and road noise while adding a stylish touch to your vehicle. Supporting up to 220 pounds, this rack gives you the flexibility to carry everything from surfboards and kayaks to skis, camping gear, and roof boxes with ease. Installation is quick and straightforward, and the custom fit around the rails gives it a solid, OEM-like appearance. With strong build quality and impressive load capacity, the FLYCLE roof rack is a smart and reliable choice that delivers real value for your money. Coming in at number 3, the Richeer roof rack crossbars are a solid, high-performance option for 2019 to 2025 Toyota RAV4 models equipped with side rails. Built from high-strength 6063 T5 aluminum, these bars strike the perfect balance between durability and lightweight design, outperforming traditional steel racks in both pressure resistance and ease of use. With a maximum load capacity of 260 pounds, they're ideal for carrying everything from bike racks and kayak saddles to roof boxes and surfboards. Installation is quick and drill-free, with all tools and instructions included right out of the box. The sleek, sporty design not only enhances your RAV4's appearance but also delivers reliable functionality, making the Richeer crossbars a great all-around upgrade for your adventures. At number 2, the KINGGERI roof rack crossbars bring a powerful combination of strength, security, and ease of use for Toyota RAV4 models from 2019 to 2025. Built with upgraded 2.4mm thick aluminum bars and die-cast aluminum brackets, these crossbars offer outstanding load capacity, up to 260 pounds, making them ideal for heavy luggage, sports gear, or rooftop carriers. The integrated metal lock system ensures anti-theft protection, while the black matte powder-coated finish and stainless steel screws guarantee long-term corrosion resistance. Installation is straightforward with clearly labeled components, no drilling required, and all necessary tools included. These bars not only look great on your RAV4 but also perform quietly and reliably, making KINGGERI an excellent choice for practical, heavy-duty use at a great value. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Autekcomma roof rack crossbars, an outstanding blend of durability, smart design, and user-friendly installation for Toyota RAV4 models from 2019 to 2025. Featuring die-cast aluminum clamps and upgraded 2mm thick aluminum bars, these crossbars are lightweight yet strong, with aircraft-grade construction and a black matte powder-coated finish that ensures a lifetime of corrosion resistance. Designed with aerodynamics in mind, they effectively reduce wind resistance and noise at high speeds, all while offering a seamless fit that lines up perfectly with your vehicle. Compatible with everything from cargo carriers and bike racks to kayaks and roof boxes, this set delivers sturdy performance and high-end features, like an excellent locking system, at a price that easily beats OEM alternatives. Stylish, secure, and impressively built, the Autekcomma crossbars are the ultimate choice for maximizing your RAV4's utility and style.